Mushrooms are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that support your immune system and overall health. Some, like white button mushrooms, even contain compounds that may boost gut health. Some mushrooms contain chitin, a tough fiber that makes them harder to digest when raw. Plus, certain types have natural toxins, like agaritine, which may be harmful in large amounts. Cooking mushrooms reduces toxins, enhances nutrients, and improves digestibility, making them safer and even more nutritious. So, should you eat raw mushrooms? In small amounts, it's generally safe, but cooking them is the better choice for both safety and nutrition. Subscribe for more health tips and let us know, do you prefer your mushrooms raw or cooked? We hope this video was educational. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the allergy department at Enticare if you have any questions.